Aspects, because it is
That means I can.
polythene disease, which people are getting.
ourselves, so it is survive for a
So where you put
plastic it is, and for
too much, and it
and electricity.
about water
the other thing is that
replacement of that. Why we
We have
For centuries.
not hot water?
Carry for a bag.
so
Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? So I'm also with son Sakshi, and that here we are. I'm the student of International Institute, and that here we are to play the game of debate. And our team is supporting that plastic should be banned. Our opponent team is supporting plastic should not be banned.
okay. So I think you all should remove your aspects, because it is a composition of plastics, and the whatever things that we are using right now in kitchens, in utensils, in electric boards also, it is all made of thermosetting plastics. There is three types of plastics: thermoplastic, thermosetting plastic, and PVC, polyvinyl chlorides. So I think everything that is fulfilled by the plastics, our basic needs, our basic requirement, and I think we should not ban, because it is very important and very necessary for our life. It is fulfilling our objectives. That is very important, and it is a kind of a special alternatives as well.
So here, as you said, that it is very necessary, even it is very dangerous for the environment. What do you think, that using of plastic can reduce the plastic from the environment? No, even environment cannot. Environment cannot adopt your plastic. Here, for example, here we are how many? We are 30. If we use a single plastic of polythene, so how many plastics will be there in a day? 30 plastics. So that's how you can imagine how much population India has. And on the behalf of that, how much we are creating. If we go to the Hogla side, there is a garbage house. So what do you think? What is there? Only plastic mountains are there.
But right now, if the person is using the plastic, it doesn't mean yes we are using only the polythene, because right now lot of the plastic is available, just like the AC and the so on kind of things is available. So we should use the plastic. We cannot say yes we should not use, because right now the mostly things which is made by the plastic, as well as right now mostly people they are wearing the specs, as well as whatever the mobile phone you are using.
If you want to survive for a long time, then you shouldn't use plastic. Why I'm saying? Because of plastic banning, cancer diseases, heart disease, cardio attack diseases, and there are many diseases which people are getting just because of burning the plastics. Second, people, your ideology is going downside. Why I'm saying? Because you do not think about, you think about yourself. Nature has its own rule. If you try to destroy the nature will destroy your life totally.
Okay, sir.
And that
So
is why
you are talking about we are thinking about ourselves. So right now we are sitting in the AC room, and you are talking about we all are thinking about ourselves. So it is not like we cannot remove plastic, because there are so many things which is really need to make a plastic things in our country. Somewhere there are so many people who are working in the industry. If we will stop making the plastic, so maybe they all becomes unemployed. So how they can getting their money? That's why somewhere the plastic should be important.
Okay, ma'am. As my partner mentioned, then if we want to survive for a long period of time, then we should stop the use of plastic. So the basic necessity of living is that food. And if someone take non-veg food like fish and meat, so it
ma'am,
is.
let me correct you, ma'am.
Sir, let me speak at least. So if we dump any plastic substance in water and
So,
fish,
ma'am, like-
sir, let me complete it.
So, ma'am, listen, just listen to me. Like about the plastic, you are all are saying that plastic should be banned. So, ma'am, if you want the plastic, the ban. So where you collect your like vegetables, where you collect that kind of thing. And as you know, how can you use the mobile? Because in the mobile, even we are using the plastic for manufacturing the mobile, for manufacturing the water cooler, for manufacturing the air conditioner. For that, we require the plastic. And even if we don't have the plastic, so how can we survive in this world? Because now, like as you know, that 95% people are using the plastic for their improvement, for growing the, and if you don't
So,
use
sir,
it.
it means, don't you know about the pollution? The pollution there we are facing nowadays, too much pollution, and plastic. It is one of the reason. That's why we are facing the pollution like land
Ma'am, if
pollution,
plastic is
soil-
that much bad, then why are you wearing a plastic slipper? You should remove it, na? And for kinder information, while doing a electricity work, we should supposed to wear a plastic slippers. You know why? Because plastic is a good insulator of heat. So that's why plastic should not be banned. So first
see,
of all,
if you want to really have some good health, then you have to have some alternatives. Why we don't have alternatives? Because we are totally dependent on plastics. There are many industries which are producing plastic too much, and it takes millions of years to reduce itself. If you see in the space, there are the millions of garbage which are considered in terms of plastics. My partner have already spoken that in the
Okay. So as you mentioned about that, the plastic garbage or that are the things. We are having a 3 R's: recycle, reduce, and reuse.
we are having it, and we can easily recycle, reduce, and reduce the plastic through that process. Even the plastic is also a good conductor of heat and electricity. Throughout that, we can save our life from the electricity if we are putting the another things over
Don't you
it.
hear the substitution word? We have different kind of substitution. As he mentioned about water jug and all, earlier we had matka. Okay, we have pot, and by which even we don't need to have fridge and all. That was very cost efficiently. Okay, and about you, don't you have about there are several leather bags.
So I want to say one thing that here people talking about that there's so much garbage has been produced because of plastics. So tell me one thing, technology has been made by which you can make a road through the help of the plastic. So there we have a solution. And other thing is that if you are using plastic, that is very cost effective, you can easily use it, and that's why it is very good. If you are replacing plastic with any other material, then it will take a lot of money from you, and it will take a lot of time, because scientists have not any replacement of the plastic. And
Okay, so as you are saying that plastic is good, may I know that why you are not wearing plastic clothes or plastic shoes? Why are you not using plastic in anything? Why you using replacement of that? Why are you wearing the cloth cotton, or why are you wearing wool or the another substitution of the plastic? Plastic is very bad for us. Just because it is usable, it doesn't mean that it is good for us.
At the first hand, ma'am says that the fridge and the pot kind of thing. So she is saying that the cost effective kind of thing. And at the second hand, she want to replace the plastic. By replacing the plastic, it is not a cost effective thing. We have to replace plastic by the paper bag, which is very high cost.
Sir, you are not living in the world, because we have alternatives of the plastic. We have a cotton, we have a bamboo, we have so many things we have by which we can use, and khadi. So plastic is not for not usable thing, and if you will keep the plastic for centuries, it will not be degradable.
Okay.
So it is not good for our health. Always.
Listen me please. I think you all are beating about the bush. You are not coming to the conceptual and factual part of it. You all are talking about the impact on the environment. But what is the source of plastic? It is all about the environment. We are deriving it from the environment. And yes, we cannot make it eco-friendly, but at least we can make it biodegradable. Because
so, sir, as you knew about that thing, that the plastic, the thing that is not biodegradable, means that can't be composed, and that will live for years and years, and that can't be composed, and that can't be biodegradable, and we can see the problem.
Okay, first of all, I just want to cut sir point. Like sir is telling about the bamboo and kind of the things. So just tell me one thing. If you want the milk, so how you will take? Just you will say to the like shopkeeper, yes, I just want the milk. Just give in my hand. You will take that like that. It's not like that. If you want something, so at that time you need the plastic. Right now, so many things which is made by the plastic, as well as if you want some of the things like the chips and kind of the things, so at that time you need the plastics in the.
Sir, I think you all are guys being selfish. You just think about only for you. You don't think about that animal. That animal eats the plastic at all, and what the consequences and problems they face. You don't think about. And second thing is that in plastic we can't carry hot things. Okay. Like if I talk about that hot waters at all, because it releases a chemical at all. So don't try to.
I'm supporting for the plastic should be not banned, because if we go somewhere, so we can use plastic, but like if we purchase something, so how we can carry bag kind of thing, because somewhere we didn't carry for the bag, because somewhere we go to the for interview, go to the for job kind of thing, so how we can carry for a bag kind of thing. So plastic should be not banned, because we can purchase lot of thing by the help of plastic. And if you
can purchase, you're talking about we can carry and we can't carry, it's your laziness. Second thing is that what about you are talking about degradable things. Man, this is a nature. You can't stand in front of the nature. Second thing is that what people are doing, whenever you try to burn any plastic things, it automatically releases carbon monoxide, many carbon dioxide, many gases,
so
which
I want to cut
the nature as well as your lungs.
First, listen to me. I want to cut the ma'am's point. Ma'am said that why we not wear the clothes of plastic. So plastic is a hard substance. How you can wear the clothes of plastic? And we all are covered. Our surrounding is fully covered with plastic. We use electricity. Electricity wire is also covered with the plastic. So how if there is no plastic? So if you touch the wire, then you will get
No, if you really want to support plastic, then why don't you support the nature? Why means everyone knows that it is harmful for nature and still you are means supporting plastic. I don't consider that you are still a human. Apart from this, then why government wants to ban single-use plastic? You may have listened the news. The single-use plastic has been banned by the government. Why? Because it was totally harming our nature. It was totally harming our means human being as well as our other things.
Sir, if
Apart from
plastic is that much bad, then why at your home most of the things are made up of plastic? You know why? Because plastic is cost effective. We live in India. India is still developing. We are not use the metal things. We are not supposed to purchase any.
See here, I would like to talk about the someone who told about they we can use plastic in the fire or something. See, we have aluminium foil, we have aluminium clothes. Whoever scientists wear and the means bombers they wear. Apart from this, if I come to another thing, see plastics. Why don't we wear plastic clothes? Why they say plastic is a hard substance, but still it is used in the local substance.
Okay, so first thing is that India is a very developing country and we can't handle much more money. So if you want to replace plastic with any kind of material, then what will happen if you go into the grocery store and the grocery man telling you that the cost of the bag is about 30 rupees and you're buying the vegetable about the 50 rupees, then would you be ready to take that bag? No, because we are developing and still we don't have that much money to buy these things.
If you don't replace these things, the environment will replace you with other things. With another thing, if I come to see about the bags at all, why do we purchase bag? Because bag is a one-time purchase. In the starting, we have to purchase bag, and after that, you can use it for a long time period. It is not necessary that if you go to market today, if you go to market tomorrow, so you will have to purchase daily new bags. No. About other things, the liquid substance. You can also carry liquid substance in the metal bottles. Metal bottle in the sense that whatever you carry in your
Okay, so you are just thinking about yourself and you are not thinking about the worker who are working in the plastic factories. So if you ban the plastic, so it will be a very big economic impact on our country, which is not good for our country. So you are not thinking about the workers who are working in the factory of the plastic and the plastic bottles. If you just take their job by banning the plastic, is it good for you? Is it good for the country? No, because we know that
Okay, sir, we are thinking about them. That's why we're saying that plastic is bad. Plastic is not biodegradable. It is not consumed by the earth. If we use too much plastic, that is dangerous for us and dangerous for humans. What will they gonna do in the future if they don't if there's no environment? In ancient times, we carry.
So ma'am, if you want plastic ban, so why are you taking the air of the air conditioner? And apart from that, now I get to know that why we are still developing nation because of you. That kind of ideologies you all are feeling like that you all are following that kind of ideologies. That becomes a obstacle in the path of our developing nation. And apart from that, we are using the plastic in our mobile.
Have you ever heard about food chain? Like if we use any plastic and dumped it into river or ocean sites, then those plastic release so many chemicals which will affect the marine organisms as well as human organism. I think you are a science student, so you know about the biomagnification process. About it, we consume those fishes, those non-veg products, and by that those chemicals
Okay, ma'am. Yes, I will tell you about the demerits of the uses of plastics. Where the person in your team said about that the single-use plastic. How much campaign is going on right now? There is no impact of that campaign because right now people know about that the value of plastic. Right now we are using the lot of things which is made up of plastic. Where we are comes towards the grocery systems. Throughout that we are getting from the vegetables to purchasing it.
People don't know the value of plastic. People are full who are using plastic. Recently we know that recently in the shops the government banned the plastic totally. You had to carry your own bags. Why government did think? Don't you think that IAS officer whosoever run the government, they are that much educated, they know what is
okay sir,
what is
so
not.
sorry for that. So I am taking a beautiful example that we all in a rainy weather we always wear a raincoat. If we don't have raincoat, then we always carry an umbrella with us. So if we ban the plastic, then what will we use? Yes, I hope you get my point.
Ma'am, let me come
what
to
will
your
we use
let me come to your
if we
beautiful
don't have
example. Let me
raincoat?
come to your beautiful
Raincoat if we
example.
don't have
Whatever you are
umbrella.
saying, raincoat, whatever it is. If there is typhoon, if there is cyclone, will you wear your raincoat? You will keep it side. Second thing is that sir is talking about the plastic. Whatever the production is going in the factory, where the chemical is going. They're throwing the chemicals into the river, and where many animals are dying just because of chemicals.
Okay, sir.
Apart
I want
from
to come
it,
to
as
this
ozone
point.
layer,
I want to come
depletion
to
of
this
the
point.
ozone layer,
Listen
and
to
the
me.
impact is, just because of your guys' ideology, our nature is going downside. Our nature is just
Okay,
destroying
enough.
human
Enough.
life.
The point is that plastic should not be banned. The thing is that people should be telling that they should not throw the plastic at the ocean. So the water animals don't consume this kind of things. And the other thing is that plastic have its solution. So we can even use plastic to make roads, even many more things. You will find plastic everywhere.
Don't
from
you
your
think
foods-
what cost it would be if we make roads by the plastic? That is very expensive. That would be very expensive. As someone mentioned about, we are talking about employment and all. Do you really think that doing work in the factories, having their employment overfilled?